storing a 1963 Mini Cooper 997. Extremely rusty, as you can see. Just about to plasma cut the floor out, put the new floor section in, then I can start building all the panels around it. So you've got to get the pockets out so you can get to all that when the floor, then you flip it on its roof and take the floor out. Nothing wrong with that.
You're still going to be pushing it, dude. Do you want to now put it over a bit more?
Bring it that way a bit.
On the paintwork.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Lovely job.
Just start cutting it out, clean up all the metal, wait for the spot weld to be delivered, then weld it all back together. There, what's left of the rear subframe mount, which holds all your suspension in. So it probably wasn't very safe. It definitely wasn't very safe. And what you do is you peel that lip off there, and that's your line you put your floor into then. Obviously this, I'll just lay it in. All of this will be new eventually, but I have to connect the A post up to the floor so I know it's in the right place once the floor's laid in. That's your outer, obviously it's upside down. That fits in there, yeah? So then I know when the floor's in, I've got that in the right place. But that one has to go in first. That goes in there and that's what's left basically of that inner piece there. So you have to get that in the right place. Goes up under there, but then also you have to put it in the right order. Well, that one actually goes in there like that. And it's all in together properly. That's the outside of that, and then all the other spot weld through that one. But the thing to do now is clean all the edges up, drill all the spot welds out of there, get that corner out, get that other pocket out, and then lower the floor in, and then I can see all the corners are rusty there, they'll be replaced later, but you've got to get the floor in and strengthen it all up, you know. Once that's all welded back in, you obviously got your integral strength back in the base of the car, and you can build your bits on the outside of it. This is why they went rusty. That's factory, no primer behind any of the joints. No seam sealer, no anything.
On just this, or just on all minis, or?
All minis really. The later ones were a bit better, but not a lot. Get that corner pocket out of there. Like I say, undrill all of these all the way around. Clean this edge off. I'm not worried about cleaning it clean. I just need to get that lip off so the floor goes in at the right height.
Okay.
Then drop the floor in. I'm not worried about the internal, this can stay in, I'll just slide the other, because the only two places it contacts are there and there. You've got spot welds there, but all of this outer I've got new, but I need to put it in to get this set in the right place before. I've got the corner repair panels for those. So replace those, that'll be repaired. Spot weld all the front of the floor in, squaring it all. You just do a cross measurement each way to make sure it's square. Take some measurements, because everybody thinks these are straight, they're not. You look at the curve on that, top of that, so you have to get all that right. can always tell a Mini they shouldn't be flat down the sides. That's been gas welded, so all I need to do down there is just buzz a grinder down it and that'll come off, which makes life a lot easier. Trim those back to there, and that can all go in separately, and then it's just a matter of setting the A-pillars up. But see, they're the external ones. It's that bit there you need to repair properly.
Next week on the workshop.
Factory primer again, look.
Yeah, here
No
we go.
such thing. So now it's just a matter of faffing around with it all to make it fit. Once I'm happy with that, then I can strip it all down and get it all back in properly.